closer to me. Don't need
Yeah.
to
Okay.
be
Yeah.
too,
That way.
too,
That
too.
would be better.
Hey Michael, so I'm Tony from SUAS. So this is pretty much a functioning prototype to show you the principle how it works. We already have the product, which is called the VuIR Tab HD, and this is for bigger camera. We don't have the smaller one for View Pro camera, the size of the XD. So we're using this as a demo for you, but the smaller unit will work nicer. Okay, so we have this suction system to mount on top a car, a truck, whatever. We can use two of these to make it even stronger, and you can remove the suction cup quickly and easily. This thing it can be on a drone, it can be in your hand. It functions well without a need for a battery, power, but you can also supply the regular power to it to make it run faster. This is the first idea for first prototype, so we're gonna make it better. Okay, so now you see it has gimbal, 3-axis gimbal system. The other thing is lighter, so we don't have to see this big thing. So we just have to access this. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go inside the car, drive around, show you how to control the camera, tilt, panning around, while you can use the left hand to drive the truck or the car. Okay, so let's go inside the car. You can turn it off. You see me?
Yeah. Barely, but it's okay, right? I mean,
Okay.
right now it's yeah.
Hey, all right. So here we are. The concept works right away. We have a tablet right here, and the camera is outside with gimbal, rugged, and we can drive around, and the driver can drive with one hand, the other hand is to control this. The camera outside, pan and tilt, right? Okay, and then they can zoom. All right, you can see 2x. We can set up to even 4x, twice the zoom. Okay, this time it's 2x. But this camera capable of doing 4x zoom, 4 times. And this camera is different from the version we will sell you. But if you like this, it's fine. It has even the daylight camera here for you, and picture-in-picture mode with the thermal camera and daylight camera as well. In the thermal mode, you can do palette changing and record on here as well. In other words, everything is right here with your right hand. That thing can be mounted there on top, truck, car, because it has some suction cups. We can make the 6 suction cups version, so everything is secured. So I hope you like this version, and the product is already there. We have the VuIR Tab HD for View Pro. It's within how much is that? About about $5,000 to $8,000 package. Depending on if $8,000 would be really expensive. Very top of the line with radiometry, but you don't need that. Radiometry means that you will save all the temperature in with the file and read them later on. But if for live view like this, you will not need the information. So you can go for a $5,000 or $6,000 package, and everything will be good. All right, thank you.